Now let's move on to trapezoids. What? Trapezoids. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at these trapezoids and figure out what they all have in common. This one right down here, this big blue one, this is your typical trapezoid. This is what you'll see if you are looking up trapezoid in the dictionary or something. This is the prototypical trapezoid. So let's study it for a second. Well, is this line here parallel to this line here? No, they're not. See, if I go up this way and I go up this way, these lines are going to meet. You see how those two red lines, if they went on forever, they would meet. But look down here at the top and the bottom. Are those parallel? So here's the bottom line. Let's measure it. And the top line. It has one set of parallel lines, not two, just one. So any shape with one set of parallel lines is a trapezoid. So let's take a look at this rectangle. How many sets of parallel lines does it have? If you said two, you'd be right. So does it have at least one set of parallel lines? Yes. Therefore, it's a trapezoid. Why is a rectangle a trapezoid? Because it has at least one set of parallel lines. It falls into the criteria. Let's take a look at this trapezoid over here. Does it have one set of parallel lines? Yes, it does. Right here and right down here. See those parallel lines? And what about our friend the square? Does it have at least one set? Why, yes, it does. It has two sets, in fact. One there, one there. So there is parallel lines on a square. And on a parallelogram, there's one set of parallel lines. Cool. And what about on a rhombus? So there's a parallel line there and a parallel line there. So define trapezoid as a shape with one set of parallel lines. And then build as many different kinds of trapezoids using as many different kinds of shapes that are also trapezoids. Label your friends if it's a square, rhombus, or just a trapezoid. Take pictures and put it in your portfolio.